President Jacob Zuma ushered in his 83rd birthday on Saturday with a grand celebration, surrounded by family and loyal supporters of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The occasion, which remained private in terms of location, was a blend of personal warmth and political solidarity. Zuma was flanked by two of his wife, Makumalo and Mangema, as he marked the milestone. The birthday cake, striking in green, black and yellow, proudly mirrored the colors of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, further symbolizing the former president's deep ties to the movement he now leads. In a statement released by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Zuma was lauded as a stalwart of the liberation struggle and celebrated his enduring dedication to the marginalized and oppressed people of South Africa. President Zuma, whilst imprisoned on Robben Island, sacrificed years of his life fighting for the liberation of our people. His life is defined by sacrifice, resilience, and unwavering commitment to the people of South Africa. Party further praised Zuma for his continuous efforts to improve the socio-economic conditions of South Africans, stating that under his leadership, the Umkhonto weSizwe has emerged as a renewed platform aimed at addressing ongoing struggles such as neocolonialism, imperialism, and systemic inequality. The statement concluded, "Today, as the president of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, President Zuma stands firm against the neocolonialism, imperialism, and racism towards our people. We honor his legacy, his courage, and his tireless education, dedication to justice and equality as we celebrate his birthday." The J.G. Zuma Foundation also released a statement wishing President Zuma a happy birthday. The statement said, "Official birthday message from J.G. Zuma Foundation to its patron, His Excellency President J.G. Zuma. The J.G. Zuma Foundation takes this opportunity to extend its warmest wishes to its patron, His Excellency President Jacob Zuma, on the occasion of his birthday. On this important day, we pause to honor and reflect on the extraordinary life and legacy of the leader whose unwavering commitment to the liberation of our people, the restoration of African dignity, and the advancement of social justice has left an indelible mark on the history of our nation. President Zuma's life is a testament to selfless service, resilience in the face of adversity, and steadfast dedication to the upliftment of poor and marginalized. Through his vision, humility, and enduring belief in African renaissance, he has inspired generations and laid a firm foundation for ongoing struggles for economic emancipation. As the custodian of a foundation that bears his name, we are privileged to draw from his values and example as we continue our work in education, rural development, and the promotion of cultural and historical awareness. On this special occasion, we join the nation and the continent in celebrating a true son of the soil. We wish His Excellency continued good health, strength, and peace. Happy birthday, Nxamalala, the J.G. Zuma Foundation. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.